Hello friends, up to this we have completed two chapter, that is first introduction of thermodynamics and second chapter first law of thermodynamics, right. Next chapter is thermal machines. Thermal machines. This last chapter of B section, A section. So thermal machines. In this we have to discuss IC engine, refrigerator, AC, cooler, right? These we have to discuss. In brief, we have to discuss only IC engine, right? Types of IC engine, right? So first of all, what is heat engine? Heat engine. Right, what is heat engine? The machine which derives heat energy from the combustion of fuel or any other source and converts this energy into mechanical work. This term as heat engine. Means क्या होता है, जो मशीन हीट तैयार करती है, राइट, जो मशीन हीट तैयार करती है, कहाँ से करती है, कि कौन सा भी सोर्स हो, ये फ्यूल का कंबशन करके, नहीं तो any other source. This is called as heat engine. There are two types of heat engine. Two types of heat engine. One type is internal combustion engine. Internal combustion. And second was external combustion. External combustion. What is internal combustion? When the combustion of fuel takes place inside the machine, then it is called as internal combustion machine. And when the combustion takes place outside the machine, then it is called as external combustion machine. Right? This is then we have to discuss only IC engine or internal combustion engine. Right? First, classification of IC engine. Right? First, classification of IC engine. There are some types of this IC engine, and this question will ask for 5 marks in your examination, right? Very simple types, right? You have to write minimum 6 to 8 types in this question, right? First, thermodynamic cycle use. Thermodynamic cycle use. Which type of cycle, thermodynamic cycle, is used in this? So first, Otto cycle. Second, diesel cycle. Third, dual cycle. Fourth, two-stroke cycle. Four-stroke cycle. This is we'll discuss in another dual cycle. Otto cycle, diesel cycle, dual cycle. Then next type, operation of cycle. Cycle operation or operation of cycle. First, that is two-stroke, and second one is four-stroke. Right? This next, fuel use. Third one is fuel use. In this, petrol engine, second diesel engine, third gas engine, and fourth biofuel engine. Next, type of ignition. type of ignition. First, spark plug or SI engine, spark plug. Second one is compression ignition. See here in this spark ignition and compression ignition. In short, SI engine and CI engine, spark ignition and compression ignition. Next, method of cooling. Method of cooling: air cooled, B water cooled, and next oil cooled. Right, this is the type. Another type we have to discuss. Use, right? Use. Another type, which is 6 types. I thought that use: stationary engine, portable engine, automobile engine, marine engine, aero engine. This is the in the format, that is stationary engine, marine engine, automobile engine, portable engine, and aero engine. Next, speed. In this, high speed, low speed, and medium speed. Right? High speed, low speed, and medium speed. And last one, number of cylinder: single cylinder and multi cylinder. Number of cylinder. Right? These are the, you have to write also the single cylinder, multi cylinder, high speed. These terms you have to also write in an examination. Right? Then method of governing. Right, in this, quantity govern engine, next quality govern engine, and third last, hit and miss govern engine. These are the type: quantity, quality, and hit and loss. Right. So this is all about the types of IC engine. Right. You have to discuss one by so you have to write one by one. In this, see here, I will write here also. First, speed use, there is stationary, portable, marine, next automobile, right? Next aero engine. In the speed, there are 3 types: high speed, second one is low speed, third one is medium speed. And number of cylinder, there are 2 types: single cylinder, multi cylinder. Right? And method of governing, there are 3 types: quantity govern engine, second quality govern engine, and third one is hit and miss govern engine. Right? This is all about. In last lecture we discussed about the construction of IC engine. Construction of IC engine. This is very important question. This will ask for 7 or 5 marks in your examination. Right? So up to this we have discussed the heat engine. Types of heat engine: internal combustion, external combustion. Then we have discussed the classification of IC engine. Right? This is very important question, that is classification of IC engine. This will ask for 5 marks or for 7 marks. Okay. Thank you.